So it's like it's already shows like what exactly you have to do. Okay. So just go to the command prompt. Okay. Okay. So it is given a result. See, like suppose what it exactly it is giving like ensure mounting of CRAM file system is disabled. Okay. So that means like if you type CRAM file system. Okay. So what exactly it is telling like it is not installed. Okay. That means do you want to install this CRAM FS? So for that purpose, you have to first to do this CRAMP FS. Okay. That means this option is already disabled in my system or it is not configured up to the mark. Okay. So you just try to install this thing. Okay. Install the CRAMP file system. Okay. So CRAMP file system is done. Okay. So next is your this is also with respect to the file system only. I think which is required. You can just take it out. So you can just go to the main commands which is required for your hardening point of view. Okay. This is with respect to the file system. I think you can just ignore it. But the thing is like main home file system and all those should not be ignored. Okay. Yeah. So this you can just copy it and check whether it is giving what kind of result it is giving. Okay. So these are the some of the steps or some of the practices which you have to do in case of Linux. Okay. Just try to download one PDF file here. So this is my Ubuntu 16.04 LTS machine. Okay. I mean, like this is the benchmark CS benchmark document. Okay. So the basic difference between the manual and the tool based which you are seeing is in the manual based we have to check each and every option. Okay, it will take some time to do all those things. Okay, suppose we have seen the CRAM file system right in the tool. So if you go to the CRAM file system, okay, so here you get that options. Okay, see here like audit, run the following commands and verify the output is indicated. So you can take the first command, okay, as I did in the CRAM file system. Okay, so I executed and it has given the two outputs. Okay, so but what exactly it has to give? It has to give this install bin true. Okay, it has to give this output, but my output is different as compared to the previous one. That means my setting is disabled here. Okay, that means my compliance is failed in my case. Okay, so similarly you can go to this another command lsmod grep cram file system. So just copy this thing and you can just place here. Okay, paste it and see like there is no output displayed. But as for the this thing, like it has been told like no output. That means half of your this thing is complied. Okay. So the first command is not complied. The second command is complied, right? Suppose if you want to do the recommendation or if you want to do a recommend hardening, so you have to go to this file, okay, /etc /.conf, okay. So copy and gedit, paste, okay. So what here I have to write the command, what I have to write, can you tell, can anyone can from that chart can tell what is the command I have to write in my configuration file in order to make my hardening? I'm just opening the PDF file once again for you. I think hope it is visible for you, right? From the chart, can anyone can tell what exactly I have to write in the configuration file? So what I have to write in the configuration file? So I have to just type this, yeah, copy, paste, and save it, right? Okay, save it. So that means my system is hardened, right? So coming to the next option, second hardening, ensure mounting of the free weeks file system is disabled. Okay. For what is of this thing, audit point of view, you have to just copy this command, copy, paste here. Okay. So it has given some output with respect to the so on model has been already installed. Okay. So then it should show this command install bin true, but instead of that, it has shown something like INS mode. Okay. That means my system is not hardened. Okay. So then for the same thing, you have to go to the command. Okay. So again, you can just check the second option also. Control C, paste here. Okay. So that means there is no output. That means my system is compliant for with respect to this security settings. Okay. So in this way, you have to do each and every option. So if it is because manual will take some time, so we prefer to do with that. I mean, like manual based kind of thing. Okay. So these are some of the things which, with respect to the tools and the hardening kind of thing, you can do it. Okay. So coming to the next option. So file systems, you can practice it. So we'll come to the some network point of view. Okay. Yeah. Ensure separate partitions exist for /10. Okay. So whether you create any separate partitions while creating a OS. So what is the criteria or what is the partitions you use while installing your Linux operating systems? Can anyone can tell? Pramod, Sanjay ji or Goral maybe from the chat, experts from the chat can tell what are the various partitions or what are the various options we select while installing a Linux operating systems. There is a home, okay. There is /root, there is /home, yeah, var boot, correct. So I think we have to select home. So /root is the head of the file system and followed by your /home. Okay. So what basically it will be there in home partition. So home partition is have the users. Okay. Like suppose in case of Windows, how you create a users, right? The same thing when you see under the this thing, right? So there is a home partitions. Under the home partition, there are separate users are created for the individual ones. Okay. So these are some of the things which you can see under the partitions. Okay. So coming to the next one. So for the downloading this thing, you can just go to the same option. Okay. Yeah, so I think the same tool, the same which we have seen, right? I think you can go to this setting options. Tools, and under the cyber security tools, CS control, CS benchmarks. So this is a website where you can download your desired things. Okay, I'm just copying the same thing. Okay. Okay, now it is visible, right? So one by one, you can just try it. Okay, the basic difference between the automatic and this desktop, I mean, like manual, you can see each and every option, right? Whether it is correct or not. Okay, the output which is given by the tool, whether it is correct or not. Okay, so the same thing for temp partition. Also, you can make a separate temp partition. Okay, and after the temp partition,